Hey, Shane the Shark Man here, folks, from Galley RV in Junction City. Today we are showcasing the Thor Outlaw. And I'm going to tell you just right now, I went through the coach. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got the huge Ford V10 in it. The color scheme is just off the charts. It's just a gorgeous coach, even just to look at. I could stare at it all day. So, starting on the driver's side, we've got a very nice full wall slide with a huge slide topper over the top to stop all the debris falling on top of the, on top of the box, like pine cones or whatever. And then we move around, we've got frameless smoked glass windows all the way around. And the reason for that is, of course, in the summertime, you got that sun blaring through there. It keeps the coach a lot cooler. On the back of the coach, you've got a full drop down that leads directly into your garage, and the whole door drops down, easy handles. Very, very nice coach. I'm telling you, this thing is ideal for camping, hiking, quad runners. I mean, motorcycles you can stick back there, you name it. It's got on the passenger side a nice back door to the garage with extending steps. Moving further out, you've got another slide room and a huge 18-foot awning for your patio, as well as a TV on the outside. Plenty of storage underneath. Now, moving inside the coach, the first thing you're going to see, and it's going to make your mind just boggle, is the charcoal furniture, the dark gray. It's just absolutely gorgeous, jaw-dropping. So, to the front of the coach, we've got a full entire dash up there with a place for pull-out on the passenger side where you can put your laptop, eat a meal. Both seats swivel. They're very nice leather. Lots of storage space above. You've also got a very nice drop-down bunk. Either you can put your gear up there, or when you're going out doing your quad running or your motorcycling, you can put another person up there, or two, actually. It's a nice coach. Like I said, it's lots of room. Moving back to the dining area, you've got a drop-down bench seat, dinette, and table. And underneath there, lots of storage. To your right, you've got a nice TV that you can watch, kick back, eat your meal, watch TV. Also, and that's an Axera TV. To your left, you've got a sleeper sofa. You can pull that out and make more room. And then moving into the galley, you've got your double sink with your gooseneck faucet on it. Lots of storage space, lots of cabinet space. You've got your convection microwave, where you can cook chicken, pizza, croissants, you name it. Then you've got a true induction stovetop with 2 propane burners and 1 induction. And the scheme in here is gorgeous. Wait till you see it. Moving back into the coach, you've got a nice Whirlpool residential fridge and freezer with locks on them. This thing is gorgeous, and it's huge. Then you turn around, and you've got your bathroom on the left-hand side, spacious bathroom. Fantastic fan above it, full-size shower. Then moving into the bedroom, you've got a nice scheme here. It's a really nice color scheme. You got a setup with a queen-size bed and tons of storage space. I mean, you got a closet over here for your jackets and all that. I mean, this thing has so much room, it's bigger than my first apartment, and that's the truth. So then, moving back into the garage, it's also got another bunk underneath and a queen-size drop-down bed in the garage area. And this garage area has plenty of tie downs on the floor, so you can, secure your moped, or secure your wheelchair if you have one, secure your ATVs, anything. This coach is gorgeous. I'm telling you, you need to, if you're into outdooring and things like that, you need to have this coach. It's gorgeous. And give me a call, Shane the Shark Man, here at Galley RV. Got my hookup underneath, all the information you need, and I'll tell you the price of it, and we can talk over lunch or something. If I tell you right now, everybody else will get in here, and it'll be a feeding frenzy. Thank you very much, and have a fantastic rest of your day.